That's all I gotta say. So we made it with our 72 AMC Javelin. It is truly a dedicated quarter-mile car, but it just drove like, what, 800 plus miles? And all we had go wrong on the street the entire time was the fuel pump. We changed the fuel pump once. I checked the valves on Wednesday. One of them, if it moved at all, only moved 2 thousandths. And what's crazy is these valves were set last lash in 1995 when this motor was pulled out and refreshed out of a Henry J. So all these myths about valve springs and having to check your valve lash all the time and aluminum rods breaking, when they get old. That's all I gotta say. This thing was absolutely fantastic. Today we're gonna turn it back up to 3,500 for the trans brake leave because we welded up the rear end a little better at KSR, and I want redemption. The same thing I did last time, but hopefully the rear end doesn't come out of the car. So, fingers crossed. I want a 10.5 and a wheelie.
Yes.
We'll see.
Well, I used to race till my wife took it over.
Finally won something.
All right, now to our Super Street winner. Can I need you back down? You are the quickest.
Hey, good job, bud. Great job.
It's a major award.
Come on back down.
One of 2 AMCs.
And now we're going to